Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you. And I think you'll have to listen. Because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much that.
Guys, welcome to my channel. It's Rixet23. Ang gagawin natin video is baking na green matcha with chocolate chip muffin. So this is all the ingredients, guys. All-purpose flour, baking powder, green matcha powder, na dark color na siya, and then salt and castor sugar. Then we having wet ingredients as well for later. Vegetable oil. Let's move this one so they will have enough space. They can squeeze each other. And fresh milk, vanilla, 1 egg, and chocolate chip. So let's mix the dry ingredients first. Move so that the next space. This is the all-purpose flour. This is a 1 cup and 1/4 of all-purpose flour. Castor sugar, 1/4 cup. And salt, half a teaspoon. Baking powder, 3 teaspoon, I think 8 teaspoon. But I'm not sure. I will put the ingredients down below in the description box or on the video itself if I have the time to do it. Let's mix all the dry. Then let's do the wet ingredient, guys. Let's separate bowl. Milk. I love to put the matcha powder. I forgot. I keep forgetting to put the ingredients. I always notice at the end. Oh, I forgot. Oh dear. What's going on? It's old age, I think. Then vanilla, egg, and vegetable oil. I think 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Then we can mix the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients as well. balikan ko kayo guys. I'll finish all this na ilagay sa muffin container. Here we go guys. Lagyan natin siya ng chocolate chip toppings. At i-bake natin siya sa oven of course. Preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 18 to 20 minutes. Baking. Thank you mga guys sa mga members ko, sa mga thank you sa mga nagsawa, sa panood, especially nowadays. Take care lahat tayo dahil sa pandemic na nangyayari. So ayun guys, let's spread the remaining chocolate chip kasi sayang, diba? So yan guys, I'll be come back soon for the finished product. Ayan na guys, newly baked na bulol. Palamigin natin siya para hindi masyadong. Ayan guys, na-bake ko na siya. O 18 to 20 minutes. Ang oven temperature niya is 200 degrees Celsius. So yan guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Rixec23. And thank you very much for watching. And God bless to everyone. Bye! See you soon to my next vlog. Bye bye!
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야